Hey guys, I'm Phil Town from Rule One Investing, and today I want to talk to you about my housing market predictions for 2022. Well, first, let's talk about the current state of the housing market. As you guys, I'm sure, are well aware, following the pandemic, we saw one of the biggest housing booms in the history of our country. An incredible rise of prices to over 22% since COVID. So now, 6 months later, we're still seeing home sales increase month after month. New home sales are up 1% in August, 1.5% in September, another 1% in October. So we're still riding that train. The biggest concern for the market right now is that the housing demand continues to outpace the supply, and you probably have an idea what that would mean in terms of prices. It means things are going to continue to go up. So where do I think we're headed with this market? Well, first off, let me tell you what I just read. Zillow, which is that great big online real estate sales website, just predicted the 2022 home market will continue to soar another 13.6% this year, all through 2022. And Goldman Sachs just put out an even bigger bombshell number, projecting a rise in home prices in 2022 of over 16%. However, those projections depend on one really super important thing, and that is, what is the Federal Reserve doing with interest rates? If interest rates stay the same, meaning they keep the rate to other banks overnight down at zero, then and it looks like after the last meeting, they plan on doing that through 2022. I think Goldman and Zillow are on the money. I think prices will continue to rocket. But if the economy really overheats with inflation, and right now it's cooking at over 5%, the Fed is going to be forced to increase interest rates to lower the amount of borrowing and slow down the inflation rate. And if that happens, then I think another prediction from the CoreLogic Case-Shiller Group is forecasting that prices are going to rise 2.2% in 2022. I think that's probably exactly what will happen. It will shut the door on rising real estate prices. By the way, one of the wild cards for housing predictions is the claim that if interest rates suddenly rise, we're going to see a replay of 2007, and the supply of foreclosed homes will simply overwhelm demand and prices will plummet. All right, I don't know that I think that's going to happen at all. I seriously doubt it. And if that replay starts, here's why I think it'll not really happen. The Federal Reserve is going to have to choose between a gigantic potential recession or even depression versus stirring up more inflation. And I don't think there's any question. They're going to go the inflationary route. So the Fed will step in, stop its rate increase. They'll start re-lowering rates. We've already seen that movie. And then we will be in for some serious inflation, but not a real estate meltdown. So there we go, you guys. Where real estate goes will depend on the Fed, so stay tuned. I'm going to keep you posted where that's all going. And if you have property already, I think you're in pretty good shape regardless of what they do. That said, while I like real estate a lot, I don't like to speculate on anything, particularly real estate. And I don't like to pay the kind of prices we're seeing right now. I like buying real estate the way I buy companies, where I'm going to get a bargain and I'm confident that I'm going to make a lot of money in the long term. If you want to know how I do that for any investment, including stocks and real estate, just take a look at my free guide. It's called How to Pick Stocks, but it's about everything that I like to invest in. So now, you guys, I'd love to hear from you. Where do you think the housing market's headed this year? Leave a comment below with your answer. I'll be sure to follow up with you. And thanks for watching. Now go play. You guys, if you enjoyed this video and you feel it was valuable in teaching you more about my housing market predictions for 2022, hit the like button and please share the video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the button for a free gift. It's right there on the screen. And thanks again for watching.